ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about mastering the mind, techniques for manifesting your dream reality. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing a mind-altering journey where you'll discover the incredible powers of your mind to shape your reality. In this video, we're going to dive deep into techniques that will empower you to manifest your dream reality. Get ready to explore a captivating world of visualization, affirmations, and gratitude, and learn practical tips and exercises to implement these techniques in your daily life. Together, we'll unlock the potential within your mind and pave the way for a transformative journey towards your desired reality. 1. The power of visualization. Our minds are extraordinary creators, capable of bringing our dreams to life. Visualization is a practical technique that taps into the creative powers. In this section, we're going to explore the art of visualization and how it can shape your reality. 2. The basics of visualization. We'll start by understanding the basics of visualization. Visualization involves creative, vivid mental image of reality you wish to manifest. We'll discuss the importance of clarity, detail, and the emotional involvement in visualization to make it more effective. 2. Creating a vision board. A vision board is a powerful tool that will materialize your dreams. We'll guide you through this process of creating your vision board, which will serve as a visual representation of your desired reality. Learn how to select inspiring images, quotes, affirmations that will align you with your goal. 3. Guided visualization exercises. Experience the magic of guided visualization through step-by-step exercise. Like close your eyes, relax, let your mind take you on a journey to a dream reality. We'll provide you prompts, visualization techniques to enhance your experience as we help you connect with your desired outcome.